Hello everyone, and welcome to our video tutorial on how to use Google Analytics for audience targeting. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that allows you to gain valuable insights into your website's visitors and their behavior. By effectively leveraging this data, you can refine your audience targeting strategies to maximize the impact of your marketing efforts. Audience targeting refers to the practice of identifying and selecting specific groups of individuals or audiences who are most likely to be interested in your products, services, or content. It involves using various data and criteria to segment and define these audiences based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and other relevant factors. By implementing audience targeting strategies, businesses can focus their marketing efforts and resources on reaching the right people with the right message at the right time. This approach allows for more personalized and relevant communication, which can result in higher engagement, conversions, and overall marketing effectiveness. To effectively target audiences, businesses often rely on tools and platforms that provide insights and analytics, such as Google Analytics, to gather data on user behavior, demographic, and interests. This information enables businesses to understand their audience better and optimize their marketing strategies accordingly. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to set up our Google Analytics. If you haven't done so already, create a Google Analytics account and add the tracking code to your website. This code will collect data on your website visitors and their interactions. If you want to learn how to set up Google Analytics account just like what you are seeing here in our screen, you can watch our previous videos about Google Analytics. Once you have your own Google Analytics account, the next step is to explore the audience section. In the left-hand navigation menu, click on Audience to access various reports that provide insight into your website visitors. Now, we will go to the overview. In overview, we can see the snapshots of our audience key metrics, such as the number of users, sessions, average, average session duration, and bounce rate. Analyzing these metrics helps you understand the overall behavior of your audience. Step 4, dive into the demographics report. Understanding the age, gender, and location of your audience can help you tailor your content and marketing campaigns to better resonate with your target demographic. Step 5 is to utilize the interests report. This report shows the affinity categories and in-market segments that your audience falls into. By knowing their interests and intentions, you can craft personalized messages and offers that are more likely to capture their attention. Step 6, Analyze the behavior report. This report sheds light on your audience's engagement with your website. You can discover which pages they visit most, how frequently they return, and the average session duration. This information helps you optimize your website's content and structure. Step 7 is to create custom audience segments. Google Analytics allow you to define specific segments based on user behavior, demographics, and other criteria. By creating segments, you can target different groups with tailored marketing campaigns. So if you want to learn more how to create custom audience segments or customer segments, you can watch our previous video in this channel about Google Analytics for customer segments. The last step is to integrate Google Analytics with other marketing platforms. By connecting Google Analytics with platforms like Google Ads or Google Tag Manager, you can leverage your audience insight for better ad targeting, remarketing, and campaign optimization. To wrap this up, Google Analytics offers a wealth of data and insights that can fuel your audience targeting efforts. By exploring reports, understanding demographics and interests, analyzing user behavior, creating custom segments, and integrating with other platforms, you can superchange your marketing strategies and drive better results.
Look at the pages per session. So,
Thank you for watching our video on how to use Google Analytics for audience targeting. Remember, by harnessing the power of data, you can make informed decisions to reach and engage your target audience effectively.
And then the bounce rate.
If you like this kind of video and find it informative, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can be updated for more videos on how to.